Hello guys. Last week, I got a call from a customer who states a problem with their Honeywell thermostat. Upon arriving at the customer's location, I figured out that the thermostat was set on programmable mode, and the set point was fluctuating, causing the temperature to change for no reason. As you see on the left side, we have the options of permanent hold or temporary hold. So, we need to remove these options. To solve this issue, I suggested overriding the programmable option. Here's what I did. I mashed the menu and plus button for 5 seconds, which brought up ISU. Then, I selected it and saw that 120 was set to 4. I changed it to 0 and pushed the select button to save the changes. That's it. We no longer have the text for permanent and temporary hold, and the problem has been resolved. Okay guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.